Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irshaduddin bin Muhammad Sofian. My metric number is 10DTK 20F 2016.
My name is Muhammad Nazrul Hakimi bin Mahidin. My metric number 10DTK 20F 2032.
Today we want to talk about global warming. Global warming is a phenomenon where the Earth average temperature rises due to increased amount of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and ozone trap the inflamming radiation from the sun. This effect creates a natural blanket which prevents the heat from escaping back into atmosphere. This effect is called greenhouse effect. Contrary to popular belief, greenhouse gases are not inherently bad. In fact, the greenhouse effect is quite important for life on Earth. Without this effect, the sun radiation will be reflected back into the atmosphere, freezing the surface and making life impossible. However, when greenhouse gases in excess amounts get trapped, serious repercussions begin to appear. The polar ice caps begin to melt, leading to the rise in sea level. Furthermore, the greenhouse effect is accelerated when polar ice caps and sea ice melts. This is due to the fact the ice reflects 50% to 70%. The solar radiation gets absorbed. Seawater reflects only 6% of the sun radiation back into space. What polars contain large amount of carbon dioxide trapped within the ice. In this ice melt, it will significantly contribute to global warming.
And the recommendation change is change a light, replace one regular light bulb with a complete fluorescent light bulb will save 115 pounds of carbon dioxide a year.
Second, drive less. Like walk, bike, carpool, or take mass transit more often. You will save 1 pound of carbon dioxide for every mile you do not drive.
The third, recycle more. You can save 24,000 pounds of carbon dioxide per year by recycling just half of your household waste.
And check your tires. Keeping your tires inflated properly can improve your gas mileage by more than 3%. Every gallon of gasoline saved keeps 20 pounds of carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. Plant a tree. A single tree will absorb 1 ton of carbon dioxide over its lifetime.
Turn on electronic device. Simply turn off your television, DVD player, stereo, and computer when you are not using them. Will save you thousands of pounds of carbon dioxide a year.
This is a recent article in Mitigation and Adaptation Strategy for Global Change by Frank Kaiser and Stoll Max Monetary Estimates of Quantitation Global Warming Damage that assign higher value to each life lost in wealthy countries as opposed to poor ones, regardless of how much since such a produce make to GDP oriented economies. It is morally unacceptable to most of the world and needlessly damage effort to build support for any global warming mitigation and adaptation strategy that may be proposed.
A better solution would be to us money value of zero for human life loss and report stability the monetary and human life cost of warming and benefit of mitigation. On the other hand, in a society that love the environment, high value and high price will be placed on park with land and open space. The test value would carry over the private transaction and legislative mandate.
The conclusion confirm that global warming is the major challenge for our global society. There is a very little the global warming will change our climate in the next century. So, what are the solutions to global warming? First, there must be an international political solution.
The second, funding for the developing cheap and clean energy production must be increased as all economy. Development is based on increasing energy using. We must not pin all our hope on global politics and clear energy technology. So we must prepare for the world and adapt. If implemented now, a lot of the cost and damage that will be caused by changing climate can be mitigated. Thank you very much.
That's all from us.
Yeah.